I talked to a transmission specialist who's rebuilt F-150 transmissions for 23 years, over 1,200 rebuilds. He told me there are 3 F-150 years I see in my shop every single week. Same years, same failures. Always $3,000 to $5,000 to fix. Today, you'll find out which 3 years. 23 years, 1,200 transmissions. He knows exactly which years fail. This isn't opinion, this is data. And today, you're going to know everything. Subscribe because this could save you thousands. First year, 2004 to 2008. The specialist was direct. 2004 to 8, worst transmission Ford ever made. The 5R55 has design flaws. The problem? Torque converter fails early. Internal solenoids break. Erratic shifts after 80,000 miles. He told me these start failing between 70 and 100,000 miles. Harsh shifts, hesitation, loss of power. Always the same destroyed components. Rebuilding costs $3,000 to $5,000. And even after, never 100% reliable. If you're buying 2004 to 8, avoid. Specialist confirms, guaranteed problems. Second year, 2011 to 2013 with 6-speed. The specialist explained the 6R80, Ford was learning. Early years, nightmare. What fails? Internal lead frame cracks, severe torque converter shudder, valve body defects, shift flare between gears. I see these constantly. Vibration when accelerating, won't engage properly, sometimes stuck in one gear. Ford issued multiple TSBs admitting the problems, but even with fixes, still problematic. Rebuilding $4,000 to $6,000. Problem can return even after fixing. Ask about transmission history. If problems, don't buy. Third year, 2017 to 2019 with 10-speed. The specialist was honest. The 10-speed is good, but 17 to 19, development years. Ford was learning. Early years have problems. Problems? Harsh downshifts at low speed, hesitation from stops, clunking when shifting, software bugs causing erratic shifts. Brand new trucks with 40,000 miles already have transmission problems. Ford released software updates, don't always solve it. Good news, 2020 forward, Ford fixed most problems, but 17 to 19, problematic. Want 10-speed? Buy 20 or newer. Avoid 17 to 19. If you already own one of these, don't panic. There are things you can do to protect your transmission, make it last longer. Here's exactly what to do. If you own 2004 to 8, change transmission fluid every 30,000 miles. Not 50, not lifetime, every 30. If you feel harsh shifts, take it immediately to a specialist. Small problems become big fast. Consider an aftermarket transmission cooler. Lower temperature protects components. If transmission failed, rebuild with upgraded parts. Kits exist with reinforced components fixing factory problems. If you own 2011 to 13, check if Ford TSBs were applied. Technical bulletins have important fixes. Not done? Take to dealer. Change fluid every 40,000 miles. Use original Ford Maricon LV, not generic. Transmission is sensitive. Torque converter shudder? Motorcraft Shudder Fix additive helps temporarily. If it gets worse, don't wait. Check if extended warranty covers yours. If you own 2017 to 2019, make sure you have the latest software update. Ford released several. Most recent solves many problems. Drive smooth first few months. Let transmission learn your style. It has adaptive learning. Change fluid every 50,000 miles. Even if Ford says no, prevention beats repair. Problems persist with updated software? Some owners got transmission replacement covered by warranty. Document everything and pressure dealer. So those are the 3 years, 2004 to 8, 2011 to 13, and 2017 to 19. 23 years of experience confirms these have more transmission problems than any other. Specialist sees them every week. Buying F-150? Avoid these years. Save the $3,000 to $6,000 rebuild. Already own one? Use the solutions I showed. What year do you have? Transmission problems? Comment. If this helped, hit like. Next week, the 5 F-150 years with most reliable engines. See you!